Introduction to the most powerful techniques of unconscious rapport. Welcome to this section which teaches the most powerful techniques for creating rapport with another person. I'm very excited to share these techniques with you. They are so powerful you can create rapport with another person across the room without them even realizing it. Then all you need to do is walk up to them and somewhere inside they'll feel like they know you. This is great for when first meeting people. Instantly the ice is broken. These are very simple in theory, but however, take a little time to master. As talked about before, it is important to be as natural as possible when creating rapport. What you are doing needs to be an authentic representation of yourself. The unconscious mind notices when someone is not being genuine. If this happens, then rapport will be broken. The techniques taught in this section will result in a deep connection with the other person. If done well, you can immediately create that feeling where a person feels like they've known you forever, like you're a long-lost buddy. Once you have this connection, trust can build much more quickly. You can go from not knowing someone to them trusting you very quickly. It can happen in the matter of a few short minutes. Please practice these techniques. Do them over and over again until you are comfortable doing these naturally. My suggestion is to pick one and focus on that technique only. Do that for at least 2 weeks, or until you are comfortable doing this naturally and as a habit. The aim is to get to a place where you are doing these techniques as a habit. Just as you don't think about flicking the indicator on your car. You just do it when you want to turn. It's the same here. You don't want to be thinking about creating rapport. You just want to do it as part of what you do naturally. Alright, let's get started on this next lecture. The first most powerful way to create unconscious rapport.